What actually happens when you hold in a sneeze? A sneeze is your body's pressure release valve. Air builds up in your lungs, sinuses, and nasal passages at once. Normally, it blasts out at over 100 miles per hour. But if you pinch your nose and mouth shut, that force has nowhere to go. The pressure shoots backward into your ears, eyes, and throat. Blood vessels can rupture, causing red eyes or nosebleeds. In rare cases, it can tear throat tissue or burst an eardrum. Your body designed sneezes to escape, not bounce around inside you. Holding a sneeze isn't polite, it's turning your head into a pressure cooker.